Walker from Lakat TV, and today I'm excited to share with you one of the most awesome sunsets I have seen in a long time. And the water was reflected off of this pond, and you'll just be amazed. Now I'll talk to you a little bit in the end about how to capture some of the best sunset colors you'll see. So sit back, enjoy the video. If you got any comments, please leave them down below. The colors of the sunset showed me we were setting up for an awesome sunset, but I was even more shocked by what followed, and you will be too. Now here comes the awesome colors. The awesome colors, really interestingly, they came right after sunset. The clouds and the sun, everything was just right to cause a reflection of the sun on the water, or the light from the sun on the water. You know, the rays get longer as the sun sets or is closer to the horizon. And so you see these beautiful colors right after sunset. Hey, this has been John Walker for Lacat TV, and you've been watching the awesome sunset in Virginia Beach. If you like the sunset, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And watch for more videos on droning, sunsets, technology, cooking, and travel. Thanks again for watching.